Mandathivu Beach and mangroves. The island is surrounded by shallow sea water and short mangrove plants. It is a safe home for a variety of rare creatures and migrating birds. This beautiful island is situated 10 kilometers from the Jaffna town. The Delft baobab tree. The tree was brought to Sri Lanka by the Arabs in the 7th century. This tree is in the Delft island. At the base of the huge tree, there is a big hole where about 10 people can hide. Casuarina Beach. It is located in Karinagar, 21 kilometers from Jaffna. This golden beach has a magical look with a white sandy shores. This mesmerizing beach is perfect for kids as it has shallow waters. Nilavarai well. According to Ramayana, this well was created when Rama gallantly shot an arrow onto the ground. The depth of the well is considered to be unknown. The surface of the well is 57 feet long and 37 feet wide. Thumparai East Beach. The sun-bleached sandy crystal beach attracts many tourists and it is found close to Point Peter town. It is located near the beach village. The shade umbrellas and resting halls give a dazzling view to the beach. Manalkadu Beach. This stunning magical beach is endowed with natural beauty with splendid sand dunes and densely grown casuarina forests. It is 41 kilometers from Jaffna town. Chundikulam Bird Sanctuary. This territory was declared as a bird sanctuary in 1938. This calm environment is ideal for birds to nest and breed. The sanctuary is situated at a distance of about 65 kilometers from the Jaffna town and 50 meters from the sea. Iranai Madu Tank. This is the largest reservoir in the northern province. It has about 558 square kilometers of catchment area. It is located 10 kilometers inland from the Kilnochi town on A9 road. The speciality of this tank is it was built only by the Tamil people. Mullaitivu Beach. The rolling tides of the ocean crashed roughly on this beach. This sunny beach is located 1 kilometer from the Mullaitivu town. In the evenings, people enjoy watching the fascinating view of the fishermen drawing the fishing nets ashore. Teak forests. The Vani area is rich in natural resources. The teak forests are found in Mullaitivu and Pudukkudiyiruppu regions. These teak forests are the pride of this land. Viewers are astonished by the beauty of the artificial teak forests, which offer valuable timber. Muthuayyankattu Tank. The name Manmalai Kulam was later renamed as Muthuayyankattu Kulam. The tank is 5 kilometers from the Ottisutan junction in the Mullaitivu district. Nedunkeni Vedukkunari Malai. This historic place is identified as a place where ancient tribes lived in Sri Lanka. It is surrounded by small hills, mountains and caves. This hill is located in the north of Vavuniya in the Vavuniya district. Mana baobab tree. The baobab tree originally belongs to Africa. It was brought along with the camels and was planted in the hottest region of Mana in order to feed the camels. This 750-year-old tree is 7.5 meters tall and has a circumference of 19.51 meters. Kiri Beach. This long, soft, sandy beach is becoming a hot spot for tourists to chill out. It is located 7 kilometers from the Mana town in the Mana district. Pesale Beach. The famous Pesale Beach has the highest number of fishermen in the Mana district. In this busy place, merchants from various parts of the country gather and bargain at the market to buy fish. Thirkum Dam. This dam was constructed across the Malwatu River in the 5th century by King Datusena. Later, in the 11th century, it was renovated by King Parakramabahu.